Remove the screws by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Wiggle the housing to remove it from the vehicle. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out. Disconnect the wire by pulling it out. Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise. Make sure that any wires that have become disconnected are replaced.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the screws by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.